What's up guys, boy Big here coming at you. So I'm here at a Walmart. I was hoping that they would have the pegs stocked up, but it doesn't look like it. Let's move on over here. Looks like they have some of these super rigs. Not interested in those. Over here they have some Matchbox. They have these new truck series. This one's pretty cool. The Willys Jeep pickup 4x4. Definitely gonna take that one. They have this awesome 2017 Ford Skyjacker Super Duty F350. Definitely gonna take this one. Another one there, another one there. Let's see. And they also have this awesome 62 Nissan. Awesome, definitely gonna pick this one up. These two are the same. Let's move along. Over here they have some working rigs. A bunch of peg warmers, as you can see. Adventure Force. And now they have their own version of monster trucks over here. Monster Jam. Nothing that really piques my interest. Here we have some Hot Wheels monster trucks 2-packs, some Mario Kart. Got some 4-packs here. Here we have some Disney Pixar cars. And here we have these. I haven't seen these before. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here we have the 1940s Batmobile. The Batman Classic TV series Batcopter. And here we have Batman Returns Bat Skyboat. Let's see. Here we have some of these Sonic the Hedgehog cars. Let's see. A bunch of peg warmers. Let's see, here's some more here. Here we have some G.I. Joe. Here we have the Hyper Haulers. Ford Bronco R. Pretty cool. They have this cool Baja Bouncer. Not bad. Alright guys, so here are the ones that come in the set. The ones that I'm interested in are the Ford F-150 and the 75 Datsun Sunny. So yeah, it looks like they took all of them. Anyways, let's move on over here, see what they have. They have some of these NASCARs. Here we have some Tomicas. Bunch of peg warmers. I'm not interested in any of these guys, but I always like to show my subscribers what's out there in case they're interested. You know, we all collect different things, so it's always nice to share, guys. And let's take a look over here. We have some Power Rangers Diecast. And check this out, guys. We have some awesome M2 haulers. This guy here. We have this one here with the Mr. Pip theme. Check this out, guys. This one's really cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up. Now this one comes with a Camaro. And there's another one here, another Mr. Pibb. And let's see. This one comes with a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. Very, very cool. Definitely gonna take those two. And gonna pass on these right here. Alright guys, it looks like that's pretty much it for this store. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I'm here at a Target, but it looks like I'm late to the party, guys. It's alright. So let's move on over here. Looks like nothing new with the 5-packs. Let's see over here. Looks like they got some premiums. Let's check out what they have. Looks like they got these Hyper Haulers. So we have the Baja Bouncer. I doubt that I'm going to find the full set. I seriously doubt it. And here we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And here we have the Ford Bronco R. This one is actually pretty cool. I like the decals. So this one's a maybe. Gonna set it aside for now. And over here, it looks like we have a little bit more of the same. So it looks like the new Fast and Furious set is hitting, guys. So over here we have the Land Rover Defender 90. This one's pretty cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna find the full set on these either. It's all good. Let's see. Here we have this cool 1968 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Awesome, I already picked up a couple of them. Don't need any more. Here's another piece from the Fast and Furious. It's the Jeep Gladiator. Pretty cool. Let's see, here's another one. So here's the whole set, guys. Feel free to pause the video and check them out if you'd like. So as you can see, it comes with a Honda S2000, the custom Mustang, the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, the Land Rover, and this Gladiator. So pretty much it for that. And here we have some pop culture castings. Here we have the Deadpool scooter. Here we have the Aston Martin Valhalla concept. I already picked up a couple of these. Don't need any more. And here we have the Spider Machine GP7. Pick that one up. There's another Aston Martin Valhalla. And here we have the Beatles Yellow Submarine. Gonna take one of those if you don't have one of those. There's another Spider-Man. Masters of the Universe. Here's Masters of the Universe Battleground. And we have the Wind Raider. Okay, so let me put these back really quick and let's move it along. Let's see here. We have some Flying Customs, Star Wars. Here we have the 74 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock. I already have this one. It's a cool casting. I love the Summit livery on the car and on the hauler itself. This is a peg warmer. You can pretty much find them everywhere. And over here we have this 32 Ford. Not bad. And we have some more down here. Let me grab these really quick. And over here we have some Mario Kart 4-packs, single packs. Here we have the Volkswagen Baja Bug. So let's put this one in its proper location. Alright guys, let's move along. We have some Hot Wheels RC cars. There's a 2017 Nissan GTR, Cybertruck, and another Nissan GTR. Here we have some glow-in-the-dark monster trucks. Not bad. Ninja Turtles, monster trucks. Here we have some 2-packs. Here we have a pop culture monster truck. This is Thanos from Marvel. And here we have the famous Bigfoot, the V8 Bomber. And here we have some Monster Jam monster trucks. We have some 2-packs over here. And it looks like they got some Johnny Lightning cars. Pretty cool. Let's see what we could find. So here we have the 1976 Dodge Aspen RT. This car is pretty clean actually. Take that one for sure. Ooh, check this one out guys. 1999 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Nice. Here's another one. Here we have this cool Jeep. Not bad. Here we have this cool 1996 Pontiac Firebird. Here we have this 1957 Studebaker. And here we have another 1976 Dodge Aspen RT. Let's see what we have up here. Another Jeep. Ooh, nice. This one is really cool. 1966 Chevy Suburban. Definitely gonna take this one, guys. And here we have an awesome 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. I already have this one. And here we have this awesome 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. Not bad. And what do we have over here? Nice. And here we have this awesome 1983 Chevy Silverado. Nice. Definitely going to take this one. And here we have this cool 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Nice. And we have a few more up here, guys. So this is the 1984 Pontiac Firebird. Not bad. Here we have another Ford F-150. Another Jeep. And here we have another Challenger. And we have this awesome Suburban. Let's see, what do we have over here? We have some muscle machines. This Mustang with a California Highway Patrol decals is pretty cool. Let's see here. Here we have some Tomicas. I've never been a fan of these Tomica guys, to be honest with you. Here we have some Jada Choice punch buggies. There's this one in purple. And here we have this 2-color. So here we have this one in the mint green and white. It's Matchbox Superfast. These are all old castings, by the way. Here we have some Matchbox. Looks like Bunch of peg warmers. See, they're all the same. We have some more Matchbox over here. They're all old castings. I don't know what's up with that. And here we have some Matchbox 5-packs. Nothing new. And here we have some Micro Machines. These are pretty new. These are the Micro Machines monster trucks. Let's see. Here we have the cool Chevrolet Micro Speed Legends. Not bad. Nothing new for the NASCARs. And here we have some Jada Toys Hypercars, Lamborghini Centenary. Here we have the Huracan, Lamborghini Veneno. I love the color on this one. Might take this one. And here's a Lycan Hypersport. There's another Lamborghini Veneno. Here we have the Kings of Crunch off-road trucks. Pretty cool. There's a white one right there. We have this blue one. And there's another red one over here. And these are all peg warmers. Here we have the 2014 Jeep Wrangler, 1973 Ford Bronco. There's another Wrangler. And that is pretty much it over here, guys. Tack deck. Let's see what we have down here. Here we have the Black Widow figure and the 1966 Chevy Corvette. Here we have the 1968 Dodge Charger white body. Here's the 1958 Plymouth Fury from Pristine. Here's Batmobile and Batman. SpongeBob. Here we have the Majorette Porsche set. Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's check this one out real quick, guys. This one's pretty cool, actually. Here we have the Harley Davidson F-150 truck with the motorcycle. Harley Davidson over there. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.